Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up NetModSyna VPN using V2RAY with SNI settings on your Android device. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to learn more about VPN configuration for personal use, online privacy, or secure internet access. This video is intended for educational purposes only. Please use VPN services responsibly and in accordance with your local laws and internet provider policies. Step 1. Start by opening the Google Play Store. Search for NetModSyna VPN and download the app. Once installed, launch the app to access its main interface. Step 2. Open your browser and visit the official Race VPN website. Tap the menu icon, usually in the top right corner, and select the V2RAY server option. Choose a server location such as the USA, UK, or Germany. Then, fill out the username and password fields, complete the reCAPTCHA, and tap Create Server. Your V2RAY configuration will now be generated. You can copy the details manually, copy the URL, or scan the QR code to import it later. Step 3. Import server in NetModSyna VPN. Go back to the NetModSyna VPN app. Tap the plus icon and select V2RAY from the options. To import your server, tap the three-dot menu. Choose Import from Clipboard if you copied the URL. Alternatively, you can enter the server details manually if you prefer. Step 4. After importing, you can tap the pencil/edit icon to review or update fields like TLS type, SNI hostname, header type. Once finished, tap Save to confirm. Step 5. Now tap the Connect button to initiate the VPN session. You can swipe to view the connection logs to ensure the VPN is active. To verify your connection, go to the menu and tap Check My IP. If the IP address has changed, your VPN is working. Congratulations! You've successfully set up NetModSyna VPN with V2RAY SNI on your Android device. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video. Outbox tray share it with your friends. Bell subscribe for more secure internet and tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.